Here's a question. The V out by V in of the circuit shown below is. So a circuit is shown here and we need to find the V naught by V in. So let us analyze the circuit. We have three amplifier sections. There is one amplifier here, and if you see, this is V in, and the non-inverting terminal is connected to the ground, right? And V in is connected to the inverting terminal, and we have feedback resistance of R2. So this is an inverting amplifier. Okay, and here we have at the inverting terminal we have connected a ground. So in the question, ground is connected at the inverting terminal, and V in is connected at the non-inverting terminal. Okay, so this forms a non-inverting amplifier. Okay, so let this voltage of inverting amplifier be V01 and this be V02. And if you see here, it's a adder circuit, right? Inverting adder circuit. So the non-inverting terminal is connected to the ground, and at the inverting terminal we have two resistance R3, R3, and the input V01 and V02 is fed through this resistance to this amplifier. So this is a inverting adder, right? Inverting adder circuit. Okay, so first we'll see, say if this is V01 and V02, if this is voltage V0 and V02, what is V out in terms of V01 and V02, we'll see. Okay, so since the non-inverting terminal is grounded, so this terminal is virtual grounded. So there will be a current like this through this R3, and there will be current through this R3. So what is this current? This current is due to V01, and the current will be equal to V01 by R3, right? And this current will be equal to V02 by R3. And these two current sums up and will flow through R4. That's why it is like plus minus. So from the circuit, V out, so right here, V out will be equal to minus R4, that is feedback resistance, that into the current flowing through R4. So what is this current? First one current is current due to this, due to V01, that is V01 by R3. Plus the second current is current due to this current, that is current due to V02. So that is V02 by R3. Okay. So this will be equal to, I can take R3 outside, right? So it is R4 by R3 into V01 plus V02. So this is the V out. Okay, I will set as equation 1. Now from the circuit, first circuit, inverting amplifier circuit, what is V01? So from inverting configuration or inverting amplifier, okay, V01 is equal to, so V is the input and R2 is the feedback resistance, R1 is the series input resistance. So V01 is minus R2 by R1 into V in. And from non-inverting configuration, okay, non-inverting amplifier, V02, that is this one, this V02 is due to a non-inverting configuration. So what's the gain of non-inverting amplifier? That is 1 plus the feedback resistance, that is R2 by R1, that into input voltage. Input voltage here is V. Okay, so this is V01 and V02. So we'll substitute, so if this is 2 and 3, I'll substitute 2 and 3 in 1. So V out will be equal to minus R4 by R3 into V01 is minus R2 by R1 into V in, plus V02 is 1 plus R2 by R1 into V in from equation 3. So if I take V in outside, it will be minus R4 by R3 into minus R2 by R1 plus V in I can take outside, right? So it will be 1 plus R2 by R1, that into V in. Okay, so R2 by R1 is cancelled, only 1 remains. So this is equal to R4 by R3 minus R4 by R3 into V in. So what is from this, what is V out by V in? It is minus R4 by R3. So option is answer, correct answer is